So in this Robinhood tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how to buy crypto here on Robinhood. So once the Robinhood app is opened up and your account is funded, go down to this bottom icon, the magnifying glass, and select that. Then once you're here on the Explore page right here, you can view a bunch of different cryptocurrencies. So if you were to scroll down here to where it says trending list, you can see the top gainers, top losers, market cap, or volume. If you want to sort it that way, so for example, Bitcoin, you can then do it this way. If you want to go ahead and just go to the top here, you can just type in Bitcoin or type in the symbol. It'll come down here. Go ahead and select it. And I'll use Bitcoin for this example, then you're on this screen. So once you're on the screen right here of your cryptocurrency, in my case Bitcoin, you can scroll down to your current position. You can also go down to the bottom and press on the green buy button, which I will do right now. It'll then bring you to this page right here where you can select how much of this you want to buy. So in my case, I will just do $10. And if this looks good to go or you have your amount selected, you can go ahead and press the green review button. Then you're on this page right here where it's going to show you the dollar amounts that you're buying, the fees, the cost, etc. And if this looks good to you and you want to proceed, go to the bottom, swipe up to submit to proceed with the transaction that way. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to buy cryptocurrency here on Robinhood. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.